Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Well, adding carbon fiber really to any BMW truly does set it apart. And that's exactly what we're gonna do here in this video today on my very own 2023 BMW M5 competition. And what we're doing in today's step-by-step DIY is we're gonna be adding the M5 CS carbon fiber front lip from RW Carbon. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this DIY started. Once you have the car off the ground, this is just to give me enough room to get my drill up underneath here. I have three 8mm screws here. Take these out. Once you have that, you're gonna have these little clips that are also in here that attach to it. So you're gonna pull that out. There's one right here, fingernail in there to take that out. Once you get to these bolts that are in the middle from BMW, they actually switch over to 10mm. So keep your 8mm aside because you will need that, obviously, for the other ones. Then you're gonna jump to your 10mm screws. You're gonna swap out your 10mm, go back to your 8mm. Then we're gonna work on this side. So once you're on your back to your 8mm, undo that screw, undo the next one, undo the third one. This tool works great. Its sole purpose is to pull these out. Pop that one out, and then you can pull this one off. Going to add our first screw in. Add our next screw in. These are the existing BMW screws that are in here. Number 3. Add the third one in. And then the third one in the front. You're gonna want to take off your 8mm, switch back over to the 10mm, and these are the two middle BMW screws, 10mm, that go right up in here. This one right here. Next, we're gonna add the self-tapper screws all along the front to finish closing the remaining gaps. Screws are provided when you pick up the lip. Now to the front part. Next part in the middle here. That's it, simple as that. Quick and easy install. So let's go ahead and get it outside so we can really get a look of this lip in its true form against the Marina Bay Blue Metallic. Very sleek, you know, going with the CS1, nothing too out of this world, in your face kind of thing. So it's the perfect touch. All right guys, well that does it for the video today, installing the RW Carbon M5 CS front lip on my 2023 BMW M5 competition. Really set off the look of it, nice, sleek and aggressive, simple to install of course, and pairs nicely with my M5 CS rear trunk spoiler lip. Big thumbs up on today's step-by-step DIY video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You got videos of the F90, M5, the original 335i, so E90 N54 is what really built the channel, so tons of content on that vehicle. And I used to have a F10 M5 and then a G20 M340i. All right guys, hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care.